Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this picture for a long time ago. I shot it in black and white, processed film, then printed out. Well, as a matter of fact, I scanned this black and white negative to get this image. And also I made this line tone image by Adobe Photoshop. Used a filter called Find Edges. Okay, I'm gonna use this and this image, but well, I started with the color. I add the layer here, and beforehand I gotta see this line tone. I'm gonna convert to the pixel layer, so I can work with this layer, and also change that blend mode to darken so I can see through underneath. And about this one, I may tone down this one. Very see the image underneath, and this one is the same opacity, black. Then use this here to put the color in, and I choose the watercolor as always so far. Okay, use that some tone in this picture. Well, doesn't have to be this color, so I can use any color, whatever you want. Okay, let's start. Just intuition, just feeling. I'm going to add the layer here. Put the texture of the hair. colors here. Let's see, this is the hair, this is other colors, and also I add the layer for her skin. Now let's see on this. I'm going to change the blend mode here. Base is going to be dark, well, normal is fine, but opacity is depends. Let's see about here. It's gonna be linear burn. I'm going to take out this dust on our face. This is, just choose the brush. Just take these out. You see the mask? Okay. Now maybe this much, huh? Okay. I may use the original base image, so I'm going to make the duplicate layer and just keep it here, turn it off. Then I'm going to convert to pixel layer to make create empty mask on this. Then I'm going to invert this. So now, before use this layer, I'm going to take this one, then just hide these outside lines now. Just let's see. I can always come back to get this line, so just try that. Maybe half, that's enough. Now, what's this come from? This should be the darkest. Maybe. So take this black outside out. Okay, I'm gonna go for this outside later. I see this first, then I'm gonna use this. Okay, this this layer has an image, same image of this. So turn this one off, but I'm gonna work on this layer. This is this image, a little image here. So you see. Now, I'm working on pixel layer, so no, it's not that interesting. Charcoal, how's this? Charcoal image, how's this? This is the largest size. I'm working on this layer mask too. Together, working with this both masks. Let's see. Reveal this one, show this, touch. Hide this line. Now review. I think about it. I think this image is kind of light. Need more contrast to it. So I decide to change some, or add the idea. I move this layer, which is base image of the photograph. this is, well, move this one up all the way. Then I'll show you that this is the normal, and this is a base image I've started with. Then I add this one to more punch to it, or this is the end, very last time. So I'm gonna put the base image on top, then I change the blend mode to overlay. Okay, then change the opacity of this so it makes a little bit more contrast. You see? So I think it's better on not everything. I want to see here to be this way, but around here I want this one to be like this, a little bit more contrast. So I'm gonna supply, how it says, no, overlay. Yeah, I think this is good. So I'm gonna, well, just convert to pixel layer, then create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm going to use that basic soft round opacity, size pretty big, soft, then reveal this around here. You see the color on here too. Now what makes different? Turn it off. See, it's a little bit more contrast on hair and face, but the other surround is same. Okay, this is the, I guess, this much. Okay, that's the end for today. Thank you again. Bye now. Thank you for watching my video, and appreciate it for supporting me. See you next time, guys. Have a nice day. Ciao.